Hello friends, welcome back. We have been learning a lot of content out of the channel and Python was one of the very important things that we discussed. We are going to learn how do we build a very simple GUI with Python. It is very easy and we have to use certain libraries. I'm going to walk you through that. The first step is to get yourself ready with the installation of Simple GUI. Pip install Simple GUI will get your life easier for you to build GUI with Python. Now, what is the next step? We need to import the Simple GUI into our code. Import Simple GUI as GUI. Now, we need to create a layout. I'm going to create a button, the layout of a button for the application that is to be created. We are going to do that right now. So layout equal to GUI, which is nothing but Simple GUI has been imported as GUI dot button, and we have hello world there and size is specified. Now we need to build a window over it. So the window is important, right? So the window equal to GUI dot window, and the title of the window is GUI underscore test, and layout has to be passed as an argument here. The layout is nothing but the layout of the button. So I pass this as an argument to this, and size has to be specified. This is the size of the window. This is size of the window and this is the size of the button that I keep inside. And now we use the read method, which returns the specified number of bytes from the file. Default value is always -1, which means the whole file, and this is mandatory. Event comma value is equal to window dot read. Well, can we see if it is running fine? We'll test it right now. You can see that this is the button that I had inside, and the overall window is this. GUI underscore test is the name. You can see that here. Now we can connect it easily. So what I have done, I have got a button, hello world. This is the button, and the window itself, this is the window called as GUI underscore test. It is very simple, isn't it? You give it a try, and we need Simple GUI to be used, and that's very important, without which it won't work. So kindly try it out and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be able to help you. Thank you.